To fix PayPal not working on Doordash, start by checking your PayPal account status. Ensure your account is active and has sufficient funds to make a payment. If your account is inactive or has low funds, activate it or add funds and try again. Next, verify that your PayPal account is linked to your Doordash account. Open the Doordash app, navigate to the payment section, and check if your PayPal account is connected. If not, link your PayPal account by following the in-app instructions. Check your PayPal payment method to ensure it is valid and up to date. If your payment method has expired or is no longer valid, update it with a new payment method. Also, confirm that your PayPal account and Doordash account have the same email address and other personal details. If you have recently changed your PayPal password or updated your account information, try resetting your PayPal connection on Doordash. To do this, remove your PayPal account from the Doordash app and then re-add it. Clearing the Doordash app cache can also resolve the issue. This will remove any temporary data that may be causing the problem. To clear the cache, go to your device settings, find the Doordash app, and select the option to clear cache and data. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try using a different payment method on Doordash to see if the problem is specific to PayPal. If you are able to make a payment with another method, the issue is likely with your PayPal account or the connection between PayPal and Doordash. Finally, contact Doordash customer support or PayPal customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on how to fix the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and use PayPal to make payments on Doordash.